myself, Dr. Milind Narlawar, Head of the Department for Electronics and Telecommunication. Electronics Telecommunication Department is established in 2001 with the intake capacity of 60. Right now that capacity has rose to 180. We are also running one program in PG, that is MTech in Communication Engineering. So that is having an intake capacity of around 18. Then we are having 31 very young, energetic and highly qualified staff members. Out of 31 faculty members, 12 members have already done their PhD, their doctorate, and 5 more members are pursuing their PhD. Some of them have already submitted their PhD thesis, so I am expecting their results very soon. So we are also running some very important clubs and societies in our department. So one is SS, that is Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Student Association. Then we are having 2 chapters also, IST student chapter and IEEE student chapter. Along with that, we are also running some clubs such as Robotic Club, then Coding Club, Hobby Electronics Club. Welcome to Antenna Fabrication and Testing Center. So this is the research center being used by the students of UG, PG as well as PhD research scholars. So we are having 2 faculties who have done their PhD in the area of microstrip antenna design. So in these particular labs we are having sophisticated instruments such as PCB prototype machine as well as vector network analyzer. We are having the licensed version of CST Studio as well as CAD FECO in our institute, in our department. So this lab is basically used for the consultancy also. We are carrying out the consultancy of different projects. Now we are restricted to the students project. So student from the central India region comes over here to check their designs, to fabricate the counterpart and also test it by using this particular device, that is VNE. Thank you. Welcome to Communication and Networking Research Center. So we have recently received the grant of rupees 42.66 lakhs from DST sir for carrying out the project in the area of communication and networking. So under that project we have purchased number of very sophisticated hardware kits as well as software NS2. So we can perform the research based project as well as for UG and PG students also they can carry out the projects on the software NS2 and by using the hardware kits received in this particular lab. Thank you. Welcome to Digital Signal Processing and Digital Image Processing Lab. So in this lab the final year students perform their experimentation in 7th and 8th semester, digital image processing in 7th semester and digital signal processing in 6th semester. So we are having the setup of 45 high-end computers in this particular lab with the software latest version of MATLAB. So they are performing most of their practicals on MATLAB, but we are also having BeagleBoards and Code Composer Studio in our labs. One good activity which is usually carried out in this lab is virtual labs. There are various virtual labs by different IITs. So we ask our students to perform some of their practicals on the virtual labs as well. Thank you. Welcome to Programming Lab. So we are having Programming Lab 1 and Lab 2 basically in this lab. In Programming Lab we used to take some simulation based practicals such as object oriented programming system, then antenna, then multimedia communication, FLNN, that is fuzzy logic and neural networks, and we also undertake 2 hardware subjects also in this particular lab. Digital circuits and fundamentals of computers is one lab which we undertake over here. So in all the labs we used to perform the practicals on the breadboard, and at the end of the session we used to give them the mini project based on the syllabus. Welcome to UHF and Microwave Lab. This is also one of the most important labs of electronics and telecommunication engineering. We are having many sophisticated instruments and all the required infrastructure in this lab. We are having around 6 microwave benches in this lab. Along with microwave benches, we are having very sophisticated devices such as output power motor, spectrum analyzer, MIC trainer kits, as well as antenna trainer kit in this lab. It is my urge appeal, kindly watch my webinar on scope of electronics and telecommunication branch on 5th June 20 at 1:30 p.m. Also, you can watch the same on official YouTube channel of YCCE. Link of bridge courses will be shared during the webinar. Thank you.